Today we will be studying about the male reproductive system and its function with teacher Jeanette, and please click like and subscribe Pacific Gazette Educational Channel. Good morning, class! So we are now in the second quarter of our modular distance learning. This week, we're going to tackle about the human reproductive system. So in this lesson, it will help you become more aware of your role. It targets to describe the parts of the reproductive system and find out their functions. Having knowledge about the reproductive system will give you more sense of responsibility of taking care of yourselves and grow according to the words of your parents and other members of the family who took good care of you. Males and females have unique reproductive system to produce reproduction. Reproduction is a process in which organism produces new organism to avoid species extinction. In humans, sexual reproduction happens, meaning the process needs male and female parent. Therefore, it is very important for us to study our reproductive system in order for us to be more responsible and how to take good care of it. So this week, we will study first the male reproductive system. Yes, you heard it right. We will study the male reproductive system, and all male have all this. So the male reproductive system is made up of several organs that specifically responsible for reproducing sperm cells and hormones. So what is a sperm cell? A sperm cell is important for reproduction because it is needed to fertilize an egg cell, which came from a female reproductive system. Now let us define what is hormone. Hormones are responsible for development of adult male characteristics. Let me share you this trivia. Did you know that an average man can have approximately 5 million sperm cells in a single drop of semen? But one of these millions of sperm cells, only one is needed to fertilize an egg cell. To understand fully the process of fertilization, let us now study the different parts of the male reproductive system. Number 1 is penis. Penis is the external male organ with a tip called glans. Penis is covered with a foreskin that may be removed through circumcision. Filling with blood, penis will be able to erect. Therefore, it will be able to penetrate during sexual intercourse. Number 2, scrotum. This is the scrotum. Scrotum is a pair of pouch-like sac that contains the testes. It also controls the testes temperature because it must be slightly cooler than the body to produce sperm cells. Number 3, we have the testes. This is the testes. If only one, you can call it testes. Since boys have 2 of these, let us call it testes. Testes are glands that produce the sperm cells and the male sex hormones called testosterone. Number 4 is the epididymis. This is the epididymis. Epididymis is a narrow, coiled tube that stores sperm cells. Number 5 is the urethra. This is where the urethra is located. The urethra in males is the passageway of both urine from the urinary blood and the semen from the glands. Next, number 6, we have the seminal vesicle. This is where the seminal vesicle located. These are sac-like pouches attached to the vas deferens. Seminal vesicle contributes to the semen production by making sugar-rich fluid which provides energy for the sperm cell's motility. Number 7. Vas deferens. Okay, the purple one is the vas deferens. It is the long muscular tube that serves as a passageway for the sperm cells released from the testes. The vas deferens connects the testes to the seminal vesicle and the urethra. Number 8 is the Cowper's gland. This is where the Cowper's gland located. Cowper's gland, or also known as the bulbourethral gland. It is one of the two pea-sized organs found beneath the prostate gland. Cowper's gland, it is responsible for the releasing fluid that flushes out foreign matters and neutralizes the acidic urine in the urethra. Number 9 is the prostate gland. This is where the prostate gland located. Prostate gland is a gland located between the bladder and the penis. It produces fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm cells. Now let us have the journey of the sperm cells. The journey of the sperm cells begins in the testes. Then, it will be stored in the epididymis, which is located at the back part of the testes. When the penis is erect, sperm cells move to the vas deferens. Then, the seminal vesicle make a fluid that mixes with the sperm cells. A prostate gland make more fluid for the sperm cells. And during orgasm, the prostate gland squeezes this fluid and sperm into the urethra out of the body. This is your teacher in science, Teacher Jeanette Embolodi Adyado.